connectivity, it delivers one HDMI port, 3 USB-A ports, a USB-C charging port, SD card port, micro SD card port, and an Ethernet port at the end of it. Perfect for people who run external monitors, external drives, and even camera cards. If this is something you're looking for, go ahead and check out Hiearcool. Coming in at number 4, we have the Satechi aluminum multi-port adapter. This is one of the best looking USB hubs on the market, designed specifically for MacBooks. Ports included on this: 1 HDMI port, 3 USB-A ports, USB-C PD charging, and SD and micro SD card support. And the aluminum finish matches MacBooks perfectly. Coming in for the final picks, best overall